3D printing in construction.
3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is making waves in the construction industry by enabling the creation of complex structures with unprecedented speed and precision. This technology involves layering materials, such as concrete or plastic, to construct buildings directly from digital designs. One of the most significant benefits of 3D printing is its ability to produce customized components on demand, reducing material waste and lowering costs. In recent years, several high-profile projects have demonstrated the potential of 3D printing in construction. For example, a 3D printed house in the Netherlands was completed in just 5 days, showcasing the technology's speed and efficiency. Similarly, a startup in Dubai used 3D printing to construct an office building, significantly reducing labor costs and construction time. These examples highlight how 3D printing can revolutionize traditional building methods. Beyond speed and cost savings, 3D printing also offers sustainability benefits. The technology allows for precise control over material usage, minimizing waste and reducing the environmental impact of construction projects. Additionally, 3D printed buildings can be designed to incorporate recycled materials, further enhancing their eco-friendliness. As 3D printing technology continues to advance, it has the potential to transform the construction industry, making building processes more efficient, sustainable, and adaptable.